Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. At the moment here in London, we're still in lockdown and we're only really allowed out once a day for a little bit of exercise and to do our essential shopping. Yesterday morning I popped out down to my local shops to pick up a few provisions for dinner and so on, and on the way back up to my house I bumped into one of my neighbours who I hadn't seen all year. So we stopped and had a little chat, and in the middle of all of this I asked if she had any big plans for the new year. And she told me that she was hoping to continue with her Spanish lessons. Now, I didn't know that she spoke Spanish or had been studying Spanish, so I asked how long all that had been going on. And she replied, for about 3 years now, not that you'd know it from listening to me speak. If you add "not that you'd know it" to a comment, it means this wouldn't be obvious, this wouldn't be noticeable. So in this context, it means if you heard me speak Spanish, you wouldn't know that I had been studying for 3 years. It can also be used to talk about the past. For example, as you may remember, my whole family had COVID over the Christmas holidays. Some of my friends, when they hear about this, ask, "Oh God, did the kids have it too?" To which I reply, yeah, not that you would have known it if you'd seen them. Again, if you had seen the children, you wouldn't have known that they had COVID. So it can be both in the present, not that you'd know it, and in the past, not that you would have known it. If you have enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with friends, spread the word. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might try to use today's chunk